Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Papa Poutine here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically open OBS on startup. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your Windows search bar and type in Task Scheduler. It'll pop up here. You can just click on it. And then, so this is the Task Scheduler. So what we're going to do now is come up here to create a basic task. Okay, so now that it opened, might take you a couple seconds, nothing too big. So we're just going to name this OBS Startup. I'll type in one because I already have one for myself, and then we'll hit next. And we're going to put ours to when I log on, it's going to trigger and open up OBS. Okay, so we hit next, and then we click on Start a Program and Program/Script. So we're going to find it in our files. So mine is saved in my C drive under Program Files. And then we go to obs-studio. And then we go to bin, 64-bit. And then we find OBS 64 application. Click open. Okay, and there's still more we need to do. So the next thing we're gonna have to do here is for starting, we're gonna have to put something in here. And the reason we have to do that is because right now the program is telling us to directly open obs64.exe, and if you directly open it, you get an error a lot of the times. So hit browse, and then just click up here and copy this. Then we can close this, and then just copy and paste it in here. And then that will fix that issue. Okay, so now that we have the starting filled out, now this next part is completely optional, it's up to you. So for the add arguments, you can actually have it set to minimize the program on launch. So you can have it minimize to your taskbar, which would be down here, it'd start minimized. Or you can have it in your system tray, which is down here. So for me, I prefer the taskbar because I've had a couple issues when I have it set to minimize to tray that the docs for like for Twitch chat and your stream information like that will just kind of be randomly placed on your screen here, even though OBS isn't fully opened, just in the background. So I find having it minimized to taskbar on launch is the best option. So I'll leave in the description the minimize to taskbar and the minimize to tray code. So for me, I will just be copying and pasting the minimized taskbar here. So now we hit next, and then we can just hit finish. Now there's one more thing we got to do before it's going to work. So we come up here to our triggers, and we go to OBS Startup 1. We're going to right click, go to Properties. And now we come down here and we want to run this with the highest privileges, because if your OBS is set to run as administrator, which a lot of the times you kind of need to do that for OBS so you run into some issues. So we're going to hit that and then just click OK. And then this should all work for you guys now. You don't need to restart your computer to see if this is going to work. You can just click on OBS Startup. And then on the right side here, you just hit run. And it might take a couple seconds to open here. And so I already have OBS running, so that's what I'm recording on. But so it says OBS is already running unless you meant to do this. So I'm just going to cancel that. But yours would have opened OBS, but I have OBS open here. All right, so that's it, guys. You now have OBS automatically launching on startup every time you turn on that beautiful computer of yours. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if this helped you guys at all, please hit that like button and subscribe. It would mean a lot. We also stream on Twitch here, if you didn't notice. Play lots of different games, so swing by if you want to come hang out and chill. But till next time, guys, later.